Hello guys, welcome to SeaWorld Orlando kung saan natutunghayan natin ang The Orca Show. These are the killer whales which are the perfect ambassadors of the ocean. First time po nating manood ng ganitong klaseng show, kaya naman tuwang-tuwa ang inyong lingkod. Maraming salamat po sa sponsors. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi tayo nakapanood ng ganitong napaka-amazing, napaka-spectacular na show. Maraming salamat po. You know who you are. And please don't forget to follow, like, and share Astro Boy Official. Enjoy watching guys. Please panoorin niyo po until the end. Matutuwa at mamamangha kayo sa kanilang performance. Thank you so much.